Hi, I'm Laura with Rethunk by Laura, and today's 2-minute tutorial is on our vintage white wash. You'll love it. Whitewash is a beautiful option. It is extremely subtle, but it is so versatile. You'll be able to use it on more things than you ever dreamed possible. What we're doing first is taking a brush and we're just putting the whitewash everywhere we want it to go and not worrying about anything other than applying it. Then we're going to go back and do soft, smooth lines so we make it as gorgeous as we want it to be. You can have it rustic if you want more brush strokes in it. If you keep going over it, it smooths out those brush strokes, levels, and is absolutely stunning. So you see you've got some time to play with it. It's a good thing. So just keep going over it until you're happy and it looks the way you want. In the carved detail, we're going to add just a little bit with a small brush, and we're going to squish it into the cracks there. And this is where I will sometimes use just a soft, dry cloth to smush it even further into the cracks and to erase it on the top of the surface so you really see it down in there. It really highlights carved detail beautifully when you do that. Easy as can be. This is another section where we're just going to wipe it on with the brush. And you'll see we're going to continue to use the brush. If you have some areas that are looking kind of weird, like you can see in this video that they do, it's just because you've got a little bit too much wash. So we're just brushing over it. I'll actually use my brush and put some on a rag to kind of make the brush less soaked with the wash, and just keep going over and over it until it looks beautiful. It is that easy to use and that versatile. When you're doing a larger section, we do recommend using a large brush because that gives you less brush strokes if you can use a wider brush. Here we're going to put it in some carved areas. It's going to go right in the cracks there, and I'm going to use the rag again to erase it from the surface. Also remember, as you're using this, you're sealing it as you use it. It is a wax alternative sealer and hardener. That is the reason we called it a wash, and it's extremely durable. Happy rethinking. You're going to love it.